What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know. Remember once more.
Ka MLA kasutanga saipung ka kong Santa Mary Shylla haga khatlai trik risau kala pri patba ya ka madan nila ka futsal hasnong Ratacherra East Giant Hills District bala bailing ba ka District Mineral Fund DMF scheme nakabenta usnam mang tyngka arja apsaw do arja apsan kani ka project ka bala sedang na do usnam arja apsaw haklian ka bade ka nongba jong ka district menta kala sedang Syakijaka nong kendong ki bakentup ya kasaipong so kempor mukhaya long bat kiwei. Nalor ka kong Santa Mary Shylla hakani ka snila donlang Deputy Commissioner East Giant Hills District Shivansh Avasti IES u BDO kalumshnong blok ma M kendat waheshnong Ratacherra ma penklan bordhar ki kena school bat ki paiba nong shnong. Ka kong Santa Mary Shylla hakajingkeren kala ong ka jingtmu bakong san jo ka madan futsal balas dang lingba ka DMF hagi jaka ba pero hakaleng ka district kalong ban penyaso ikinong shnong kamtam ikisamla hagi kam yale kai khnang ban pla iki ban kyar na ki jingma jing perkhat ki basniu ha ka ni ka jingalang ka kong Shylla kala pynbna ru ban shna ya ka retaining wall ka bakhatsan laktingka ban pen scam ya ka di ka madan yale kai bat kelapen pau ru basyan kasnong kyang kan sayo no yala ka jong kamadan yala kai futsal. U Deputy Commissioner u Shivansh Avasti ulaya ro ikinong shnong ka Ratacherra ki bla kershan ya ka project na du ka jing itu ya ka jaka hadu banda pendam. Ulapen pau ka jing kermen ba ka jaka yala kai kan yara ban penroy ya ka rukam yala kai hapdeng kisamla ka ba jing mento ya ka koi ke kya ha ka men ba ka jing mujing perkhat jongki. Lapun pu pen piang ya ka jingalang da ki jingshat tan rai na ki khna school jong ka Wellington Jungai Memorial Secondary School kumju ki jingrai kerpang balarwa da ka rescue me po leng ha ka jingalang ka bala penya da uchaman shnong ma kham sungur bha po yeng
Rogi wanra koroi ko par ya ka de chong bathayo pi mat ya ka ni na ko horok koi tengah iki kwai ka ni futsal ha ka ni chong la to daman mo khaddu yong ni chong na ko tani te daw yo jan yo ju in ki kamtan ki ni le bol di samla yo hi mak yo ha la ka ni you bai ka YouTube you bai ka cha media met de chau ji ni por la le bol yusuf oi am ki ka committee la ni ka ya sudut lang ni ro ya kra lang ni ro wa chong na taw samla kiwa ya le bol gimana kamen yusuf ba kalau ngelan di chong wa de ni futsal wa de le bol gimana ka ko the engage ki ya ni ka pen kam ya ka di futsal untuk konsep ai ka yusuf ba wa de kra lang ni ro cha pen kam ya ka ni ka futsal
which are affected by lot of issues related to mining should also get the benefit of these kind of developmental initiatives. So this is, I think, now almost a 9 futsal ground. So I would like to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of our local MLA because it was her vision, her suggestion that the development that we are doing in the district, initially we started from the district headquarters.
Madan Santa Mary Shylla.
Sedih. Hey, sedih.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.